morning, students. How are you all? How is your preparation going on? Nice. So start learning the chapters which we have already covered. Okay. Today I'm going to send you video on the chapter 11, The Four Magicians. Okay. It is very good story, and I think you have seen the serial Vikram and Vetal TV serial, and it is the story for children. विक्रम और वेताल की स्टोरीज आपने देखी ना, उन्हीं में से एक स्टोरी ये है द फोर मैजिशियन. वेरी सिंपल एंड इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. सो आई एम गोइंग टू रीड द स्टोरी एंड एक्सप्लेन यू in both the languages. This is one of the stories that the demon Vetal, that I give you the introduction, I am coming to the story. Or you want to read, I am reading. This is one of the stories that the demon Vetal told the wise king Vikramaditya. Each story ended with a riddle. हर स्टोरी में जो वेताल था वो एक क्वेश्चन छोड़ता था राजा के पास. अगर राजा ने सही उत्तर दिया तो इट्स ओके, नहीं तो वो फिर से उसको पकड़ के ले जाता था. He knew the correct answer. Vetal threatened that his head would burst into 1,000 pieces. If he answered, the Vetal would vanish and the king would have to catch him. Once again, here is one of the stories that he told the king. Now I am going to read the story. Once a man named Krishna Swami lived in the city of Patliputra. पाटलिपुत्र हिस्ट्री में पुराना एक था देश अपने भारत में, उसका नाम पाटलिपुत्र था. ठीक है, वहाँ पर एक किंग हुआ था कृष्ण स्वामी. ही एंड हिज वाइफ हैड 4 sons. However, both Krishna Swami and his wife passed away while the children were still young. So, the Krishna Swami and his wife died. Passed away means died, and they had 4 sons. And they were young. Their greedy relatives tricked them out of their property, and the boys were left penniless. Actually, they are not so smart, so their relatives, they played a trick on them, and they take their all the properties and money. Now they are without money. Penniless means without money. They don't have money. And they are thrown out of the house. Since they were young and did not know how to earn a living, they are very small, they don't know how to do work and earn money, they decided to go to their maternal grandfather's house. Maternal grandfather means नाना जी. तो उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि हम लोग नाना जी के पास चलते हैं. They reached there after a hard journey only to discover that their grandfather was no more. As they reached to their grandfather's house, तो वहाँ उनको मालूम पड़ा कि he also died. However, their uncles gave them shelter and the 4 boys continued with their studies. And उनके अंकल ने उनको स्टडीज़ करवाई, आगे सब पढ़ाया लिखाया. अंकल मीन्स यहाँ मामा जी. As the months passed, this kind treatment started to wane. अब क्या हुआ, थोड़े दिन तो अच्छा लगता है, अंकल ने सारा उनका हेल्प भी किया, लेकिन धीरे धीरे उनका प्यार कम होता गया. और नाउ दे वर नो लॉन्गर ट्रीटेड वेल, उनके साथ अब अच्छा व्यवहार नहीं हो रहा था वहाँ पर भी. और दे आर नॉट गिवन प्रॉपर फूड क्लोथ्स ना, उन्होंने भी उनके साथ बुरा बर्ताव शुरू कर दिया. द बॉयज डिड नॉट नो व्हाट टू डू. वन डे एज दे सेट टुगेदर थिंकिंग अबाउट हाउ टू एंड दिस पैथेटिक सिचुएशन. पैथेटिक मतलब इतनी दर्दनाक सिचुएशन से अब कैसे बाहर निकला जाए. So they sat in a corner and discussed. So the elder brother said, "What shall we do now? अब हम क्या करें? We cannot continue to live like this. अब यहाँ पे रहना तो ठीक नहीं है. It seems to me that we should master some skills which will help us to earn a lot of money." अब हमको कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे स्किल, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ हमको सीखना पड़ेगा ताकि हम लोग मनी अर्न कर सकें, मनी ला सकें और अपना पेट भर सकें. और जो प्रॉब्लम्स है अभी उनसे हमको फेस करना पड़ेगा. ऑल द बॉयज लाइक द आइडिया एंड स्टार्टेड डिस्कसिंग व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नॉलेज दे शुड मास्टर. अब हमको नॉलेज भी तो किस टाइप का चाहिए कि हम अपना अर्न कर सकें मनी. आफ्टर सम डिस्कशन they decided that It would be best if they acquired magical powers. कुछ ऐसा मंत्र टाइप आ जाए, कुछ जादू आ जाए, which would help them to bring a steady income, जिससे उनको इनकम आना शुरू हो जाए. With this plan in mind, each of the brothers set off in different direction. Now they went to the different direction, north, east, west, south, and started to learn magical skills. They planned to meet again at a particular time and place to see what each of them had learned. Now what they have decided, they will go in all the 4 directions, and they have decided a date. We will meet on this date with learn the 4 skills. All will learn different skills, and after learning the skills they will come and meet on this point. And let's see what happened in the next part. Many months later, when the time to meet came closer, all 4 brothers started out for appointed place. Now they have learned something skill. Now they decided, let's go and meet our brothers. And after very long time they met, and they feel very happy to see each other and ask them what they have learned. The eldest said, सबसे जो बड़ा था ना, eldest, he said, I have mastered a particular kind of magic. I can cover the bare bones of animal with right kind of flesh. उसने क्या सीखा कि कोई भी अगर आदमी किसी की भी मतलब बोन्स मिल जाएगी तो मैं उसके ऊपर स्किन लगा के उसको फ्लैश लगा सकता हूँ मंत्र से. द सेकेंड सेड, आई हैव लर्न हाउ टू एड स्किन एंड हेयर ऑफ द एनिमल आफ्टर द फ्लैश हैज़ बीन एडेड टू द बोन्स. तो दूसरे ने क्या बोला कि उसने वो चीज़ सीखा, बड़ा तो लगा देगा फ्लैश, और दूसरे ने क्या सीखा कि मैं फ्लैश के ऊपर स्किन लगा दूंगा और जो भी हेयर होते हैं बॉडी के वो सब मैं कर सकता हूँ. द थर्ड सेड, I know how to create the limbs of the animal whose bones have been clothed with skin, flesh and air. उसने बोला सब जब बॉडी पूरी रेडी हो जाएगी तो मैं हाथ और पैर लगा सकता हूँ. And the fourth said, when such an animal is fully formed, I can breathe life into it. Now fourth said कि जब पूरा एनिमल तैयार हो जाएगा तो I can put a life in that animal, उसको जिंदा कर सकता हूँ. The 4 brothers were very pleased to discover that they had all acquired skills which could be used together for their mutual benefit. Means कि they have learned something and all the 4 magical power is connected to each other. Now they all 4 will work together and earn money. But first, said the 8th brother, we must prove our skill. Now let us prove our skill. So they went to the forest and there they looked for the bones of an animal to display their knowledge. Now they are searching bones in the forest to apply their skills on that animal. Soon they found some scattered bones of an animal. They find out the bones of an animal. And the first brother used the magic spell to cover the bones with the प्रॉपर फ्लैश, है ना. तो फर्स्ट को क्या था तो उसने ही अप्लाइड हिज मंत्रास, स्पेल किया, एंड ही पुट द फ्लैश ऑन द बोन्स प्रॉपरली. देन द सेकेंड एंड थर्ड ब्रदर्स एडेड द स्किन्स एंड लिम्स. सेकेंड ने स्किन एंड हेयर लगा दिए, थर्ड ने लिम्स लगा दिए, 4 limbs and hind limbs. When this was done, they saw that they had made a lion. Now what they saw, after completing the flesh and skin and limbs, now when they have done the flesh and limbs and all things were done by the 3 brothers, what they saw, it was the skeleton of lion. Now as soon as he did it, as it was turn of the 4th brother said, see, I will bring life to it now, and muttered his spell. When they saw it was a skeleton of lion, then also the 4th said, I will put life in that. As soon as he did that, the huge lion arose. As soon as he breathed the life in that animal, it became lion, and he started roaring, and he stretched his legs, limbs, and roared loudly. showing his fearful, sharp teeth. You know the lion how he's roaring and dangerous. Then, therefore, they could realize what was happening. The lion charged at the four brothers and caught and ate each one. Now, what lion did? As soon as they find out that the lion has started roaring, but they didn't get time to escape, so lion catched all the four brothers and ate them and fulfill his hunger. Thus the four brothers died because of the foolish mistake. Now they have done the foolish mistake. When they came to know कि it was lion, then also he is putting life into the lion before thinking कि it will eat them. Bringing a furious beast to life, this proves that what the message you got, if you lack the wisdom, अगर आपके पास wisdom की कमी है and common sense, इवन द बेस्ट स्किल्स कैन नॉट हेल्प. अगर आपके पास माइंड नहीं है, आप अपनी बुद्धि यूज़ नहीं कर पा रहे, तो फिर आपकी स्किल्स जो आपने इतना सीखा है वो भी काम नहीं आएगा. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड कि इफ़ यू हैव नॉलेज सो अप्लाई इन प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन. दे लर्न अ गुड स्किल बट दे डोंट हैव ब्रेन, उसको अप्लाई करना नहीं आया. एंड व्हाट दे हैव डन, ऑल द फोर डाइड. एट द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी, Vetal asked Vikramaditya, "Now tell me, king, which of the four brothers was responsible for the death?" Now, as you know, वेताल हमेशा किंग से विक्रम से क्वेश्चन करता था, तो उसने इस बार क्वेश्चन करा, बताओ चार में से किस ब्रदर ने बेवकूफ़ी ज़्यादा की. विक्रमादित्य रिप्लाइड, द फोर्थ ब्रदर हु ब्रॉट द लायन टू लाइफ इज़ द गिल्टी वन. फोर्थ वाले को गलती है क्योंकि उसको मालूम था कि लॉयन है, फिर भी उसने उसमें लाइफ डाली. द अदर्स क्रिएटेड द फ्लैश, स्किन एंड लिम्स विदाउट नोइंग व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एनिमल would be formed. They are putting the flesh and skin and everything, but they don't know which animal is coming out. But after knowing it is lion, then also fourth one has made the mistake. But even after realizing that it was a dangerous lion, the fourth brother wanted to show off the knowledge. जब उसको पता था कि it is a lion, then also he want to prove his knowledge. Hence he is responsible for his own and his brother's death. This was indeed the correct answer to the riddle, and the Vetal vanished and Vetal भाग गया. करेक्ट आंसर होता था तो वेताल भाग जाता था. Once again, King Vikramaditya had to try and catch the demon again. I hope you have enjoyed the story. Now read the lesson twice, thrice, and we will discuss this chapter online in next class. Okay? Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.